Hiccups again? You're not possessed. Your diaphragm just threw a tantrum. Here's how to shut it up instantly. 1. Hold your breath. No, seriously. Inhale deep and freeze like a statue for 10 seconds. 2. Sip cold water slowly. Don't chug it like it's a cola challenge. 3. Bite a lemon. Yup, that shock wakes your diaphragm right up. 4. Or pull your knees to your chest and breathe deep like a yoga boss. Try any of these. Your hiccups will vanish faster than your motivation on Monday. Like and subscribe for more weird but true body hacks. Your diaphragm says thanks.